Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your USAA account to the Robinhood app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add funds to your Robinhood account. How do you actually go ahead and connect your USAA account? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first log on to the Robinhood app. Next, on the bottom right hand corner, click on your profile icon. Then on this page here, click on the three lines on the upper left hand corner. Next, click on transfers, then click on add account, then click on bank account. And then it's going to take a couple seconds for Plaid to load. Now what Plaid is that it keeps your account and data safe. Click on continue, then click on continue as guest, then go ahead and select USAA. So what's going to happen is that it's going to prompt you to log on to USAA so that you can select which accounts you want to connect with the Robinhood app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your USAA bank account with the Robinhood app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.